In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. To do this, open up your favorite web browser and type in the address drive.google.com. Once that loads up, make sure you're logged in. You should be on the main homepage of Google Drive, which is where all your files and folders are neatly arranged. Now that you're on the home page, the next step is to open the Settings menu. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a little gear icon. That's the Settings icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon, and this will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, you need to select the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. This is usually towards the bottom of the menu, so just scroll down a bit until you find it. Click on that, and a new window will pop up. Now let's talk about this new window. It's really comprehensive and has all the available keyboard shortcuts you'll ever need, organized into categories based on their functions. For example, you'll find shortcuts for navigation, file management, and more. This makes it super easy to find exactly what you might be looking for. Take a moment to scroll through this list and really absorb the information. You might even want to jot down the shortcuts you use most frequently. Trust me, these shortcuts can greatly enhance your productivity when working in Google Drive. Imagine being able to organize your files or navigate through your folders without having to rely solely on your mouse. One useful tip is to focus on the shortcuts that relate to the specific tasks you perform often. For instance, if you regularly create new folders, there's likely a shortcut for that can save you a few clicks each time. Similarly, if you find yourself sharing documents frequently or changing sharing settings, look for the commands associated with those actions. As you become more familiar with these shortcuts, you might notice that they quickly become second nature. This will not only speed up your workflow, but it will also make you feel more proficient and confident while using Google Drive. Plus, it's always a great feeling to share this knowledge with your colleagues or friends. You'll be the go-to person for tips and tricks. And there you have it. You now know how to view keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive and have some helpful advice on how to utilize them effectively. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at using these shortcuts. If you'd like to see more tips and tricks about Google Drive or any other useful technology tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button below. Thank you for watching and happy organizing in your Google Drive.